Experience the tutor. Let's look at another question. And our online mathematics have a question that is simplified. So, I think this looks like similar of what we have done before. Nevertheless, let's see how I can break this one down. So the fact that you have got brackets there, it means these brackets, they have to be removed, but they can only be removed when you simplify it. And we first are going to undergo our first step here. We are going to do what? Expand. So we are going to expand the brackets. And how do we do that? Whatever is outside the bracket is multiplying everything that is inside. That includes the sign itself. So since there is nothing here, it means what the sign is here is actually positive. All right. So the sign will also be multiplying sign. The number will be multiplying numbers. Let's move on. So 5 times 2, we get 10. A. Then positive multiplied by negative, you always get negative. 5 times 3, we get 15. And there's B there. We are done with the first part here. We are done. Let's call this one part 1. We go to part 2. Now, part 2, it is starting all the way from negative there. Take note. This is our part 2. So the negative, here, they're just 1. But for professional reasons, we do not put 1. It's just the same as this, just like that. So negative times positive there, we get negative 6a. Negative times negative. Whenever you multiply negative with another negative, you always get positive. That will give us positive 2. Then in our stage 2, we are going to do what? To collect like terms. We are going to collect like terms. So like terms are terms having the same variable. So we have 10a. Which one has got a? Negative 6a. Then you have 15b. But we don't have another number having b. We can just put it at the end there. Though these cannot be added nor subtracted. Now, same signs you add, different signs you subtract, but you still have to get the answer. The sign of your answer is got from a bigger number. So ask yourself, between 10 and 6, which one is big? It's 10. So, and because there are 2 different signs, I'm going to get 4a. But between 10 and 6, 10 is bigger and 10 is having positive, so our answer will be positive. Let's come here. Here nothing can be done because they are not like terms. They will remain the way they are. Some of you might be tempted and say 17b. No, you cannot. So this is the answer. Now let's go back and mark ourselves. If this was 2 marks, how can we mark it? I would give 1 mark here for doing the right thing. I would give you half here, all right? And I also give you half there, and which will give us a total of what? 1 mark and 1 there. And now I'll add you 2 marks. Steps are very important.